Bubble Traders, have the Good Morning Market prep for Thursday, August the 12th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX, monthly chart still green, weekly chart turned green, daily chart, decent push to all-time highs yesterday, but still getting a really tight range and tight movement. So not feeling impulsive, right? It's kind of looking like an ending diagonal right here. So we just have to be a little bit cautious here. We start to see some big breakdown candles. Could really see this thing start to move to the downside. Let's see the SPY and see how it's behaving here this morning. So SPY is actually starting to break out of the triangle here this morning, so we may open up at all-time highs. If we look at the S&P futures, you see we're just kind of like just testing those levels up there. So again, we got jobless claims this morning at 8:30, so it could give another 8:30 move like we saw yesterday, right, at the with the CPI numbers, right? So let's see what they do. I mean, that'd be cool to see a huge candle like this, just be like, boom, new all-time highs, but you never know, it could break down. Watch the geometric line. If it does, if we lose yesterday's lows, right, we could get back to the scene of the breakout, which I think is an area of interest, and it's right by the signal zone below, so definitely keep an eye on that one. Let's do the MES, obviously same thing. Just keep an eye on this geometric line here going into today. That's kind of the most important one. This one up here is interesting, right, but I mean, jobless claims could just slice through it really quickly. Let's stay with the Qs. Q's actually doing pretty well this morning. They're breaking out of this kind of mini geo here this morning, so let's see how that goes going into the rest of the morning. They've been kind of divergent, right? They had a rough day yesterday, and they were red this morning, the Nasdaq futures, but getting a little bit green right now, so we'll see how that goes going into the open as well. IWM with some relative strength on that huge V reversal yesterday, which leads us to look at some like the airlines, things like that, which we'll talk about in a little bit. XLF still continuing an epic run. VIX gapped up a little bit this morning, but down here getting kind of tight here before the jobless claims numbers, so we'll see how they go here today. Apple still a little bit choppy again, guys. It looks like we're contending with a double inside week right now, so let's just kind of keep an eye on that and see how it goes. Might not be ready to move until next week. Tesla getting really tight here too, guys. We've been tracking this every night so far. It's getting really tight as well, so just let's see if it's getting ready to make an inside day breakout or not. Bitcoin down. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.